Imagine turning your creative ideas into cash with just a few clicks. In 2024, you can do exactly that by leveraging AI video generation platforms. People are earning thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars every month by creating and monetizing AI-generated content. Now, what if you could be one of them? Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of AI video generation and uncover how you can harness this technology to generate substantial income. Welcome to the 4th day of our 30-day series on making money online. Today, we're focusing on a cutting-edge method that's taking the digital world by storm: AI video generation. The potential of this technology is immense, with some creators earning upwards of $50,000 per month by producing engaging, high-quality videos that attract millions of views. This is not just a dream. It's a reality for many savvy entrepreneurs who have tapped into the power of artificial intelligence to create content that resonates with audiences worldwide. In today's session, we'll explore how you can use AI video generation platforms to create compelling content and monetize it effectively. We'll cover everything from the basics of AI video generation, the best platforms to use, and the strategies for maximizing your earnings. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own AI video creation journey and potentially join the ranks of those making a lucrative living online. Understanding AI video generation. AI video generation involves using advanced algorithms and machine learning models to create videos with minimal human intervention. These platforms can generate videos from text, images, and other media inputs, making it easier than ever to produce professional quality content without needing extensive technical skills or a large production budget. The rise of AI in video creation is a game changer, allowing anyone with a creative vision to produce engaging videos quickly and efficiently. Platforms like Pictory, Synthesia, and Lumen 5 have democratized video creation, providing powerful tools that leverage AI to automate much of the video production process. These platforms offer a range of features, including automated script writing, realistic voiceovers, and dynamic visual effects, enabling you to produce videos that stand out in a crowded digital landscape. The demand for video content is skyrocketing. With the proliferation of social media and streaming platforms, audiences are consuming more video content than ever before. This trend is expected to continue, with video projected to account for over 80% of all internet traffic by 2024. For content creators, this presents a massive opportunity to tap into a growing market and reach a global audience. AI video generation platforms make it possible to produce content at scale, allowing you to create multiple videos quickly and efficiently.
AI video generation platforms make it possible to produce content at scale, allowing you to create multiple videos quickly and efficiently. This scalability is crucial for maximizing your earnings, as more content typically translates to more views and higher revenue. Additionally, AI-generated videos often have higher engagement rates, as they can be tailored to specific audiences and optimized for various platforms. Here are the steps to start creating your own videos and some simple steps. Start by selecting an AI video generation platform that suits your needs. Platforms like Pictory, Synthesia, and Lumen 5 offer various features and pricing plans. Evaluate their capabilities and choose one that aligns with your content goals and budget. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and features. Most AI video generation platforms offer tutorials and guides to help you get started. Spend some time experimenting with different tools and options to understand how they work. The foundation of any great video is a compelling script. Use AI tools to generate script ideas or write your own. Focus on creating engaging, informative, and entertaining content that will resonate with your target audience. Many AI video platforms offer realistic voiceover options. Use these to add professional narration to your videos without the need for expensive recording equipment or hiring voice actors. Enhance your videos with dynamic visuals, animations, and effects. AI platforms can automate much of this process, making it easy to create visually appealing content that captures viewers' attention. To maximize your video's reach, optimize it for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. AI tools can help you identify the best keywords to use based on current trends and audience behavior. Once your video is ready, publish it on multiple platforms, including YouTube, social media, and your website. Promote your content through various channels to reach a wider audience and drive more views.
The next step is to monetizing your AI-generated content and starts earning. One of the most common ways to monetize video content is through ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube allow creators to earn money from ads displayed on their videos. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher your earnings. As your channel grows, you can attract sponsorships and brand deals. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products and services. Create a media kit showcasing your audience demographics and engagement metrics to attract potential sponsors. Promote products and services related to your content through affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions and earn a commission for every sale made through your links. Offer exclusive content to your most dedicated fans through memberships and subscriptions. Platforms like Patreon allow you to create a community of supporters who pay a monthly fee for access to special perks and content. Create and sell merchandise related to your brand. This can include clothing, accessories, digital products, and more. Use your videos to promote your merchandise and drive sales. If you have expertise in a particular area, create online courses and tutorials. Use AI-generated videos to produce high-quality educational content and sell it through platforms like Udemy or your own website. The earning potential with AI video generation is significant, and many creators are already reaping the benefits. Here are some examples of how people are making substantial income. Channels that review the latest gadgets and tech products are among the highest earners on platforms like YouTube. By using AI to generate high-quality review videos quickly, some creators are earning upwards of $50,000 per month from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Educational channels that produce tutorials, how-to guides, and explainer videos are also seeing impressive earnings. With AI, creators can produce a large volume of content efficiently, attracting millions of views and generating substantial ad revenue. Top educational channels can earn between $20,000 to $40,000 per month. The fitness and wellness niche is booming, with creators producing workout videos, nutrition guides, and mental health tips. AI video generation allows for the rapid production of high-quality content that appeals to a health-conscious audience. Successful fitness channels can earn between $10,000 to $30,000 per month. Channels focusing on entertainment, lifestyle, and vlogs attract a broad audience. By using AI to produce engaging videos on trending topics, some creators are earning between $15,000 to $35,000 per month through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales.
In order to maximize your earning, here are some importantly tips to follow. Regularly publishing new content is crucial for maintaining and growing your audience. Use AI to streamline your production process and ensure you can consistently deliver fresh, high-quality videos. Building a loyal community of viewers is essential for long-term success. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, and live streams. AI tools can help you manage and respond to large volumes of interactions. The digital landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and adapt your content accordingly. Use AI tools to analyze audience behavior and identify emerging trends in your niche. While AI can automate many aspects of video production, investing in quality is still important. Ensure your videos are well-produced, informative, and entertaining. High-quality content is more likely to attract views and generate revenue. Don't rely on a single source of income. Diversify your revenue streams by combining ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and other monetization methods. This approach provides financial stability and increases your earning potential. While the opportunities with AI video generation are immense, there are also challenges to consider. The competition is fierce, and standing out in a crowded market requires creativity and innovation. Additionally, as AI technology continues to evolve, staying updated with the latest advancements and adapting your strategies will be crucial for long-term success. Looking ahead, the future of AI in video production is bright. Advances in machine learning and natural language processing will continue to enhance the capabilities of AI video generation platforms, making it even easier to produce high-quality content. For creators, this means more opportunities to innovate, reach larger audiences, and increase earnings. Earning money online in 2020 for using AI video generation platforms is not just a possibility, it's a thriving reality for many content creators. By leveraging the power of AI, you can produce engaging videos quickly and efficiently, tap into a growing market, and monetize your content through various channels. The potential earnings are substantial, with top creators making tens of thousands of dollars each month. With the right tools, strategies, and dedication, you can join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs and turn your creative ideas into a lucrative income stream. So, are you ready to take the leap and start? If you like the video, please subscribe this channel to get useful money-making methods and be the first one to see the video by clicking on the bell icon. You will watch the video quickly to start earning quickly.